Law and order, policing, these are not part of the elected government's responsibilities. And that, I think, is unfortunate. Jammu and Kashmir has been promised full statehood by the Prime Minister, by the Home Minister, by representatives of the Government of India when this matter was being argued in front of the Supreme Court. So there is no reason why this promise shouldn't be kept. Again, this is something that should have already happened. I fail to understand why it hasn't been done, but we continue to push. We believe that this promise must be kept and the elected government must be empowered the way the people want it to be. Linked to this is obviously the decision to arrest an honourable MLA. Whatever complaints might have been there about the conduct of the MLA, the law that you have used to detain him is absolutely, as I said, a misuse of that law and an excessive use of force against an elected representative. He should never have been arrested under this law, and the sooner he is released, by all means, if you have a complaint about his conduct, take it up with the Speaker of the Assembly. There are other ways to do it. But detaining him under the draconian Public Safety Act, where he is not eligible for bail for at least 6 months, is definitely an excessive use of force.
Sir, NC Parliament in our side, he criticized, accused the party leadership of compromising the dignity in falling to fight for Jammu and Kashmir statehood and constitutional rights. What is your response?
No, I have nothing to say on this. We have not compromised on anything. From the day this government of mine was elected, we have stood steadfast in our belief that statehood must be restored, and we were the ones who passed a resolution in the Assembly asking for the special status of Jammu and Kashmir to be restored. We are the last people who will compromise on a mandate that has been given to us by the people.
So your take on OTEC, especially with the special intensive reports being implemented?
Sorry, what?
Your take on OTEC, Ochori, which India aligns against, especially with the Election Commission of India saying that by October, the upcoming 5 state elections, they'll be implementing SAR in these.
Well, obviously there are concerns with regard to this special dispensation that was created for Bihar. And how useful it will be for the ruling alliance, I think will be shown when the results come out.